In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Drive from zipping files. If you've ever tried downloading a folder or a bunch of files from the Google Drive website, you've probably noticed it bundles everything into a single zip. That can be slow. It can fail midway, and it forces you to extract everything later. The simplest way around this is to use Google Drive for Desktop. By installing it, you can access your drive right inside File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac, and then copy and paste files directly, no zipping involved. Here is how this works in practice. Google Drive for Desktop adds your drive as a location on your computer, so it looks and behaves like a regular folder or drive. Once it's installed and running, you'll see Google Drive appear in your File Explorer or Finder sidebar. Open it, browse to the files or folders you want, and then drag them to any local folder on your computer. Because you are moving files through the desktop app rather than the web browser, Google doesn't package them into a zip. Instead, they transfer as ISO, keeping names and structure intact. This approach is especially helpful for large folders or big batches of files. Progress is easier to track. Transfers are more reliable, and you can pause or resume through the app if you need to. On Windows, you may see it mounted as a drive letter. On Mac, it shows up in the sidebar. If you don't see it, make sure Google Drive for Desktop is running in your system tray or menu bar. A few quick tips to make the process smoother. Keep your computer awake during long transfers to avoid interruptions. Make sure you have enough local storage for what you are copying, since files will land on your computer uncompressed. Your internet connection still matters, because the app streams data from the cloud as you go. If you are moving a very large amount of data, consider copying in smaller batches so it's easier to monitor and retry if needed. Remember, you can only copy items you have access to in Drive. Shared files or folders will behave just like your own as long as you have permission to download them. If speed is your priority and you regularly handle big folders, using the desktop app will save you time and frustration compared with the web's automatic zipping. That's all there is to it. Install Google Drive for Desktop, access your files through File Explorer or Finder, and copy them directly, no zip files. No extra steps. Thanks for watching.